On this International Day for Biodiversity, the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, the OECS, stands with the global community in celebrating the breathtaking diversity of life that sustains our planet. But today is more than a celebration. It is a clarion call, a call to action, to courage, and to collective responsibility. Biodiversity is not an abstract ideal. It is the lifeblood of our economies, our health, our culture, and our climate resilience. The 2025 theme, Harmony with Nature and Sustainable Development, captures the essence of the OECS vision, a future in which people and planet thrive together. As one of the world's most vital biodiversity hotspots, the Caribbean, especially the OECS, is rich in unique and irreplaceable species. Yet we face a sobering truth. More than 200 species in our region are critically endangered, many on the verge of extinction. The loss is not only ecological, it is economic, it is cultural, and it is moral. The OECS Commission, in collaboration with our member states and strategic partners such as the European Union, remains steadfast in fulfilling the Convention on Biological Diversity, the Kunming-Montreal Global Diversity Framework, and the St. George's Declaration of Principles for Environmental Sustainability 2040. Let us act with urgency, purpose, and solidarity. Because harmony with nature is not a distant dream. It is the only future worth striving for.